Welcome to our tutorial on the menstrual cycle. In this video, we will explore the different phases of the menstrual cycle and the hormonal changes that occur during each phase. The menstrual cycle is a natural process that occurs in the female body, typically lasting about 28 days. It involves several changes in the reproductive system, preparing it for a potential pregnancy. The cycle begins in the ovaries, which are small, almond-shaped organs located on either side of the uterus. The ovaries contain thousands of eggs or ova, which have the potential to be fertilized. Now, let's dive into the different phases of the menstrual cycle. The menstrual phase marks the start of the cycle. During this phase, the lining of the uterus, called the endometrium, sheds and is expelled from the body through the vagina. This results in menstrual bleeding, commonly known as a period. After the menstrual phase, the body begins preparing for a potential pregnancy. In the follicular phase, the pituitary gland in the brain releases a hormone called follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. FSH stimulates the growth of follicles in the ovaries, each containing an egg. Around the middle of the menstrual cycle, usually around day 14 in a 28-day cycle, one dominant follicle releases a mature egg. This process is known as ovulation. The egg is released from the ovary and travels into the fallopian tube, ready to be fertilized. Following ovulation, the ruptured follicle transforms into a structure called the corpus luteum. The corpus luteum produces hormones, including progesterone, which prepares the uterus for potential implantation of a fertilized egg. If fertilization does not occur, the corpus luteum degenerates. If fertilization and implantation do not occur, hormone levels drop, and the menstrual phase begins again, starting a new cycle. That completes our tutorial on the menstrual cycle. We hope you found this information helpful in understanding the natural process that occurs in a woman's body. Remember, every woman's menstrual cycle is unique, and variations in length and symptoms are normal. Thank you for watching. For more educational content, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for future videos. Until then, take care.